What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Shop Wednesday. I'm Jimmy. Let's take a look around. Let's start off in the PPF bay. Right beside me is this beautiful DB11 that got a full Expel 10 mil wrap. We're finishing the touches on that, and then it's going for an Expel fusion coating. Beside us is this beautiful Kia Forte GT. Aaron's doing a front end Expel paint protection film package on that right now. This Dodge Ram, me and Max are actually doing a track package on it right now. We got the front end done. He's finishing the rockers, and then that'll be getting ready to go for home for the customer. Beside the Ram, Caleb's working on a GT63S. This thing got a full Expel 10 mil wrap, and then Caleb's finishing it up with an Expel fusion coating. Coming around the side of the Mercedes, you see this beautiful red 442. It's a 1967. The paint came in a little beat up throughout the years, so Patrick's doing his magical work on it to bring this paint back to life, have it showroom quality, get them out to the car shows this summer looking good. This 2016 Cayman GTS came in here for all our services. It got tint first, then it met us over in the PPF bay for a full track pack, and then ceramic guys got it for a fusion coating. Over here in the tint bay, we got an Equinox. Terrell's just doing some tint on. Was this a full or just front?
XR Plus front and bottom.
Nice. And up here we have one of my favorite Gen 4 fighters, the F-16 Fighting Falcon, flown by the U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds. This GT500 is in here for an Expel fusion coating. Crown Vic, this was a full strip and retint. T got this done early this morning. Same with the Ford F-150, that was just tint on the front. T got that done as well already. Over here we have this beautiful GMC Denali. This is actually next up on the list for a full paint correction. It's gonna take all those bug stains and light wash scratches out of the paint and make it looking like a brand new truck again. Beside the GMC is a Ford Edge that was just here for an annual inspection on ceramic. Now I'm gonna kick it over to Dean, who's actually local today on a flat glass job in LATROBE. Take it away, Dean.
How's it going, guys? Today we're at Schoolhouse Bakery in LATROBE. They wanted us to install film to cut down on heat and make sure they weren't as blinded by the sun. So we're installing Expel's Clearview Plus 40 on both of these big windows behind me. That way it'll keep them cool and you can still see into the building.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Gibsonia. Let's check out what we got going on.
Here we have a 2008 Volkswagen Jetta. This was bought new back in 08 by the owner. So we did a thorough two-step paint correction on the entire vehicle, topped off with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire outer body. Next up for a full wrap is this 2023 Escalade V. This is, as it stands right now, gloss black. It will soon be satin black, thanks to Expel Stealth Paint Protection Film. We also tinted all the side windows in the back window in our Prime XR 15% window tint. Also in for a full wrap is this 2023 Tesla Model Y. This belongs to our tint manager Nate's sister Hillary. So thanks for her for bringing this to us all the way from out near Philly. This is getting a full Ultimate Plus wrap along with the Fusion Plus ceramic coating and full tint. Our third full wrap in the shop is this brand new Volvo XC60. This is also getting Ultimate Plus on the entire outer body, also getting a ceramic coating, and also getting window tint. So 2 vehicles in getting the works this week. This one we got Mark doing the wheels as we speak, and this should be all wrapped up in just a few days here. Next up, we have a 2022 Tesla Model Y. This one we have Austin doing his touch-up work on the full front. This one got our full front package, so it got paint protection film on the bumper, headlights, fenders, hood, and mirrors. In the wash pit, we have Jason doing a annual checkup on this 2022 Hellcat Durango. This was done at our LATROBE shop last year. Got a full wrap in a Fusion Plus ceramic coating and is back in today here in Gibsonia for his annual maintenance checkup. Over here we have a 2018 Porsche Macan. This was in the Gibsonia shop about 3 months ago for a full wrap. We found some paint issues in the door, so we got those repainted. The customer did anyway. And it's back in the shop now to get those 2 doors paint protection filmed and also getting a Fusion Plus coating on the entire vehicle. Up on the left, we have a C806. This one belongs to Joe. I know Joe is a loyal subscriber and follower of the channel, so shout out to Joe. This is in for a bunch of paint protection films, getting the entire front clip, the rocker panels, the doors, A-pillars and roof done in Ultimate Plus paint protection film, topped off with a Fusion Plus coating on the entire vehicle, And we also tinted all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% window tint.
That's all we got in Gibsonia. Let's go somewhere else.
We're over at the emergency vehicle shop right now, working on a Dodge Durango, an undercover Dodge Durango police unit that we had upfitted several weeks ago. We were waiting for a storage compartment for the back. The Satina came in, and we're getting ready to put it in the back. We got to make some modifications to the existing cage, but that's what's coming up. Hopefully you'll see it when it's done.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout Tinting Miami. Let's check out what we've got on the shop this week. Here in the PPF bay, we have a brand new 2023 Tesla Model X, getting the track package PPF to help protect that front end and rocker panels, and also got its 2 front doors tinted with our XR line of film to match that back section. I know you guys saw this car last week, but this is a 2018 Porsche Cayman. The owner had a ceramic coating previously, but he decided time it's finally to get the PPF installed. So we buffed off that ceramic and applied a full PPF wrap to that, and then reapplied ceramic coating back over top of that. So now he's protected and has the ease of maintenance. This 2023 Camaro was in today for XR front and visor. That's all that we got going in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.